Hey friends, Nikkie Bendross here, plus-size model, and I am narrating to you my glam makeup tutorial. Now, when I did this video, my volume did not record, so that's why you have my beautiful voice now. So I'm just going to start off with doing moisturizing. Here I use a good cocoa butter, and I try to make sure I get a good even coverage. Just be careful not to get so much of your hair, but a good even coverage. And I'm just like super excited about doing this because, you know, I don't use the regular standard what's on the market, but I do use what's great for my skin, and my skin loves cocoa butter. Now I'm actually moving just a little bit quicker where I start doing my contour here. Here's where I do my contour. I get super excited about my contour because this is, to me, this is where my creativity gets to flow, where I am just loving it. Got a little bit on my wig, but however, I will fix it in the end credits. And as you can see, I am adding my primary makeup. You know, I am just, you know, I got excited because I was able to find something that actually matches my skin. I know you're thinking, oh my God, it doesn't look like it match right now, but it will blend. I promise you, it will blend in nicely. You just got to give it a chance and watch how I blend it. That's how the magic happens. Look at that. As I'm going around my brow, I'm taking very careful not to mess up my brows. I really love how I'm getting to see. I had to get that portion off my wig. Yes, y'all have to excuse me. And I'm just loving the blended. Make sure you blend it as well as possible. Blend it. You know, there's nothing worse than having several bright spots in places where you don't want them. So I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna blend. So I'm gonna fast forward, guys, because my blending takes a while. So we're gonna just go on. As you can watch me, I'm blending, blend. Let's blend. Yes, that's where I'm doing my my contour on my nose. And it just gives you more defined look when you contour your nose. So I'm just gonna make sure, because I had my cell phone, because I found myself looking away from the webcam. So I said, let me just use my cell phone as a way to anchor myself. As you can see me, I'm blending. I'm playing the blending game. Blend. Mama really loves the blend game. I am blending like never ever before. I am so loving the blend. Make sure, guys, when you do it, try to avoid your hair pieces at all costs, because I have makeup my wig before and I was like, oh my God, I got on camera. I was like, wow, I have blush on my wig. And it actually worked out in my favor, because let me tell you, it felt really good because the blend actually matched my outfit. So I'm so super excited. If you hear crunching in the background, that's my husband. He's eating Doritos, and it's okay. So I'm still doing the blending game. I'm making sure underneath my eyes are super contoured. I'm loving what I'm doing right here. I love to call it the blending game because I'm blending, and I want to make sure I get a total full coverage. Look at that. You better go, girl. You better rock it, honey. You better rock it, Nikki B. So the next thing I'm getting ready to do is, I told you guys I love doing my lashes. I know I might have gone through this again, but hey, I love hearing myself talk. Lashes. You can never have enough of lashes. You can never do enough of your lashes. And if you hear crunching of the Doritos, again, that's my husband in the background. So I'm going to try and blur him out. He's actually in the office with me. We share an office, so it's like, oh, I'm going to need you to stop crunching with those Doritos, young man. I'm going to need you to stop it. So I'm going to do my brows. Again, I told you I'm using something called Ultra Easy RK Eye Pencil. And she's super cheap. She's not super expensive. Those are my brushes that I got from Five Below as well. So I'm just blend, making sure she's super covered. I love it. I actually have to go back and retouch up some spots that I missed. So here's my palette that I love. Again, it's Midnight Shimmer. I love it. So now I'm going to go ahead, and as you can see me, I'm going to keep it moving a little bit faster. There's my brushes. You know what I'm loving about this particular palette and these brushes? They're super soft, and I loved how the brushes melted into the eyeshadow. They melted. Look at that. Gorgeous. Loving it, loving it, loving it. So I am going to, yeah, my shirt ran away from me. My shirt ran away. So I'm going to add a little shimmer to the top. Oh, I love that. That is awesome. I really, really love how this accentuates, how the color blends in perfectly. Now let's add a pop of gold. Really loving that. So if you get to the point where you're ready to finish it off, I'm gonna press pause and I'm gonna show you guys the finished look. So I used golden for my eyes. I use gold. I use hints of violet and lavender. Oh my gosh, this turned out really good. I am ready to go out on a date with my honey, my bae, my boo thing. I'm ready. To go out on a date. It's just that easy. You take your time, figure out your color palettes, and don't be afraid to play with color. Don't be afraid to play with color. Oh my gosh. I look sensual. I look sexy. I like this. Alright guys, this has been plus size model Nikkie Bendross.